If you're familiar with this channel, you will know that my school loaned me an iPad 9th generation in August 2023 to use for schoolwork. Now, I surrendered that iPad last May because my school district signed a 3-year contract for the iPads and are upgrading this year. If you view my community post, you'll know that my school has now loaned me an iPad A16, informally known as the iPad 11, to use for schoolwork. Going into settings, general, and about, reveals that this iPad is a base 128GB unit running iPadOS 26.5. Flipping this unit around reveals that it's sadly silver. My school also loaned me a Logitech Rugged Combo 4 keyboard. Uses the iPad, which I may use a little bit. This one lacks a trackpad, which the previous iPad keyboard my school loaned me had, but I'm fine with that because I almost never used it anyway. Even though I find this iPad great, I will use it very little because I can use my Macs or my own Mac in most of my classes, and Macs offer superior keyboards, multitasking, and screen sizes. Does your school or did your school loan you an iPad, or do you even work at a school that loans iPads? Please comment your experiences with them down below if you have any. As always, thank you all for viewing this video. I'm the A16 family, and peace out.